Utkarsh from Varanasi has bought 100 shares of ICICI Bank at 1226, and he wants a perspective from a short-term trading view, and he wants to know whether he should hold or sell considering the current levels. Brijesh, I'll come to you on this one. ICICI Bank is the counter. How does it fare on charts?
Hi, morning.
Morning.
So, yeah, specifically ICICI Bank, I think there has been a correction. And from the technical point of view, we are now coming closer to 200-day moving average. The value of the 200-day moving average, 1,211. So we'll net off it to 1,200. So my understanding is that since the market has fallen a lot and then we are in the oversold zone and even the ICICI Bank is in the oversold zone, one should hold the long positions. Some pullbacks can be expected. 1260 to 1280 can be the pullback zone in the coming trading session. So I would hold my long positions and I'll keep 1200 as a stop loss.
Kalyan Jewellers, there's a lot that is going on social media about this. And this relates to Motilal Oswal's acquisition and the quantum that it held in Kalyan Jewellers. Of course, the stock price, let's pull up the slightly longer term charts. And you have had, this is 1 week, but let's pull up the 1 month or in fact even 3-month charts just to give you an idea of how quickly the stock came off. 1 month, it's down about 25% or so. It is up about 7% in trade today. The question from Rajesh in Kerala is that he's bought at levels of, is that right, 700? Yeah, so he's bought at very significant elevated levels and he's wondering whether it can be held for the long term. He defines that as 3 years. Saurabh, on the fundamentals, the concern was always about valuations, because even last week when I looked at the price to earnings multiple, and I'm talking about trailing, it was very close to Titans. And so how do you justify that? Would you say that it's still a hold for 3 years?
I mean, clearly, Alex, the valuations at which the stock is trading it is discounting the growth that the company is going to witness in the next maybe 2-3 years. Even after the correction, the stock is trading close to 100 times to its trailing earnings and approximately 12 times to book value. While on the operational front, the existing stores are growing at a rate of 20%. With the addition, the company has posted growth of more than 30%. And the management is quite confident of posting similar kind of a growth in the ensuing quarters also. So in my opinion, he is bought at a higher level. I mean, at a very, very high valuation. So I think since the company is good and the business operations are good, he can hold for the next 2-3 years to get his price. So I will not suggest to average it out, but at the same time, you can hold on to it.
Hold is the view coming in on Kalyan Jewellers. Moving on to the next caller. Sheshu from Hyderabad is calling in.